Hi guys, Jamie Humphries here again, and in this lesson we're taking a look at I Was Made for Loving You by Kiss. Let's kick things off by taking a look at the introduction. So what we're doing to start off with is just playing an eighth note rhythm on that open E string, but you're kind of scratching the string almost with the edge of the pick. Also using a bit of palm muting as well, just to dull the note down a little bit. And also that gives a nice sort of dynamic impact when we go from that intro into the main riff. Okay, so the chord riff kicks off with an E minor sus4 to an E minor. Then two strums on the E minor sus4 chord, then to the E minor, then down to the D triad, to a C triad, just playing on the D, G and B strings, and we play an E minor triad twice, and then we play a D triad. Okay, so then we kick into the next part of the riff, which is pretty much the same, just as a slight variation. So that time round, we're just playing D, C, D, D, C. I'm playing those chords by barring my third finger and then barring with my first finger. Then we're up again. And we have that E minor to D major.